Okay, so I've added a couple of extra patients here. You can see I have managed to double book Dr. Apple as long as they're in separate rooms. That's perfectly fine. All right, one of the options here is a print option, which will give you a pop up to save as a My File, will be the default. Okay, so what is created with this PDF or this print up is a copy of the day. It will have the day at the top. This is where that name feature from one of our first videos comes into play. And this will happen whether it's the week's view for the single practitioner or it's the day view that you're printing. Okay, their name will be entered onto every printout that gets printed. You will be able to see your students' work, where they have placed their appointments for the course of the day. This may go into 2 pages, but for the most part is kept relatively short and to the minimum amount of pages necessary. Now, a lot of our activities are really critical thinking. So while we don't provide a ton of answer keys, it's meant to get the students to one of many solutions on how to schedule their patients for the day.